Seated. Let's see. Ms. Laura,
Yes, ma'am.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I'm trying to get my baby back.
Okay.
I have two babies,
Okay.
and I just had another baby with my boy. He's not my boyfriend anymore, but he hit my first baby, so Houston got to take him, and I want him back because I'm not with that boyfriend anymore.
So Houston took the baby or you lost the baby?
Either way, Houston has the baby, and I want it back.
No, it's not either way. It's you lost the baby. So did somebody intervene and take the baby away from you and
Yes,
give the baby?
ma'am.
Before we step inside today's intense courtroom story, take a second to support the channel. If you enjoy real courtroom drama explained like a documentary, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the like button so this video reaches more viewers, and share it with friends who love shocking court cases. Every subscribe helps us bring you more powerful legal stories, real conflicts, and unbelievable verdicts. In today's case, a mother walks into court, demanding her child back and expecting child support at the same time. But what happens next completely flips the situation.
Took the baby and gave him to Houston.
Okay.
And I want him back.
Okay. And you have a new baby with your ex-boyfriend?
Not ex-boyfriend, ex-boyfriend.
So you guys are no longer together?
Correct, ma'am.
How old is this new baby?
How old's the new baby?
Yes.
Like 8 months.
And you're done with him after 8 months?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I was done with him like 10 months ago. The baby's 8 months.
Oh, okay. So before the baby was born?
Yes, ma'am.
Did he come to the birth of the child?
No, I didn't want him around.
Oh, okay. All right. So you now want to get custody back from him?
Yes, ma'am. From
Okay.
Houston.
Who does the baby live with?
Me?
The baby? No, my baby lives with me.
No, not your child.
The courtroom rises as Judge B enters and calls the case. A woman named Laura stands before the bench with an urgent request. She says she wants her baby back. According to her story, she had 2 children, and during a previous relationship, her ex-boyfriend allegedly abused her first child. Because of that situation, authorities stepped in and the child was removed from her care. Now, Laura claims the relationship is over, and she believes she deserves another chance.
She insists she wants her child returned immediately.
How many children do you all have between you?
Just one.
Just one. And the child lives with him,
Yes, ma'am.
and you want the baby back.
Yes, ma'am.
How long has the baby lived with you?
The baby? It's been
Yeah.
living the whole time.
Oh, okay. And how old is this child?
5?
5. Oh. And you expect to get child support,
Yes, ma'am.
and the child has been living with him for almost, it's a boy or girl?
Boy.
His whole life?
Yes, ma'am. Well, when I get my baby back, I want child support, yeah. He makes way more money than I do. I want my baby back and I want child support.
I'm sorry, you have to excuse me because nothing you're saying is making sense right now. You came to court.
As the questioning continues, the timeline becomes confusing. Laura explains that the child ended up living with the father and has been there for nearly the child's entire life. The judge pauses, clearly trying to make sense of the situation. The child is already 5 years old and has spent almost every day living with the father. Yet Laura has come to court expecting custody to be handed back instantly. Even more surprising, she also asks for child support once the child returns to her.
To ask me to give a child back to you that was taken from you, that's 5 years old, that's pretty much lived with this man the entire time that he has been taken care of.
They took my baby away because my ex-boyfriend is an abuser and I'm not with him anymore, so I want my baby back.
Right, but the child hasn't been living with you. The child has been living with him.
Yeah, because of my ex, and I'm not with my ex anymore.
Yeah, so no, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. He would literally have to have given you the child back. And then you come in here, after you've been having the child for some time, then you come in here and say, Judge, I want this to be changed. I've been having the child this entire time.
The judge carefully explains the reality of the situation. The child was removed from Laura's care years ago because of the dangerous environment involving her ex-boyfriend. Since then, the father has been raising the child full-time. That means the child has stability, routine, and a home that has existed for years. The judge makes it clear that custody cannot simply be switched overnight. Courts prioritize stability for the child, not sudden emotional decisions. If the father has been raising the child responsibly, the court cannot ignore that history.
I want him to pay child support. That would be a little bit more reasonable. But what you're asking for today is very unreasonable.
Okay, well, give me my baby back, and then I'll come back in a while and ask for child support.
Well, I can't give you your baby back because I never took your baby. Okay? Actually, nobody really took your baby. You lost your baby for your own negligence with your ex-boyfriend. That has nothing to do with me. Okay? Now, fill me in over here. The baby was placed with you after the boyfriend hit the baby.
Yep.
And he's been living with you ever since then.
Yep.
You've been taking care of him.
Mm-hmm.
You pay for everything for the child.
Everything.
What does she do?
I visit.
She visits unsupervised.
Okay, congratulations. Financially, what does she do?
Financially?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Oh, that's what I figured. Oh.
Now the focus shifts to responsibility. The father explains he has been paying for everything: housing, daily needs, and health care for the child. Laura admits she mostly visits the child and does not provide financial support. The judge quickly realizes what is happening. Laura came expecting money in custody, but the facts show the father has been doing the real parenting for years. In family court, support usually comes from the parent who does not provide primary care. As the numbers are reviewed, the judge begins calculating income, expenses, and legal obligations.
Okay, I see what's going on here. Yeah, and I'm not about to play this game with you. You're the one that's going to pay him child support today.
What?
Yeah, you are.
He makes like 3 times as much money as I do. I have to give him my money?
It's for the child, so yes, you do. You do. But the good thing is based on your income. You'll get credit for the other child that your 8-month-old, you'll get credit for that child. But yes, you are going to pay him child support. That's just the right thing to do. It's one child between the two of you, okay? And health insurance, I'm assuming you pay it.
Yes.
How much is it?
$66 a month.
$66.
I get it through
Okay.
my employer, so.
Huh?
I get it through my employer.
Okay.
The judge delivers a moment nobody in the courtroom expected. Instead of ordering the father to pay child support, the judge rules that Laura must pay support to him. The logic is simple. The child lives with the father, and he handles the financial responsibilities. Even though Laura argues that the father earns more money, the law still requires both parents to contribute. The judge also considers Laura's other child and adjusts the calculations accordingly. Still, the final number remains significant. Laura suddenly realizes that coming to court may have created a financial responsibility.
Gotcha. And how much do you make a year?
$38,000.
$38,000. So I have your gross coming out to $3,200. That brings your net to $2,648.01. Giving you credit for the other child that you have. Your child support obligation comes out to $423.69. Plus the $66 you're going to reimburse him.
The judge carefully breaks down the numbers step by step. Based on Laura's income of around $38,000 per year, her monthly financial obligation is calculated. After deductions and credits for her other child, the required support amount comes out to $423.69. On top of that, the father pays for the child's health insurance through his job, which costs $66 each month. The court orders Laura to reimburse that cost as well. Altogether, her total monthly responsibility reaches nearly $500.
For health insurance every month. So 66 added to 463.69 is 489.69.
$489.69?
Did you need me to repeat it?
I'm asking you, $489. I have to give him almost $500 a month?
Yeah, that's how it works. Did you really think that I was going to have him pay you child support?
No, I just wanted my baby.
Oh, okay. So your first answer was no. So then you understand exactly why you have to pay child support. Is there anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything else?
Nope.
Okay. You all are dismissed.
Laura looks stunned. She repeats the number out loud, almost in disbelief. Nearly $500 every month. The judge calmly explains that this is how family law works. The parent who does not have primary custody contributes financially to support the child's life. Laura admits that what she really wanted was simply to get her baby back. But the court reminds her that custody decisions depend on long-term stability, not sudden requests. With no further arguments from either side, the judge officially dismisses the case. If you found this courtroom breakdown interesting,